So hello everyone, myself Priyavrat and welcome to the Helpful Techniques again. So guys, after a very long time we uploaded a new video regarding the latest of campus. Sorry for the delay. So in this video we'll be discussing about the Zoho Recruitment Drive 2021. So before discussing further, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you'll be able to get the timely updates regarding latest of campus. And yeah, one more thing, you can join our official Telegram channel also for more latest off campus, because every day we are able to upload one video, maximum 1 to 2 videos every day. But in the Telegram channel every day we are uploading minimum of 10 to 20 off campus updates or the links. So go through our or join our Telegram channel for more off campus updates. So now let's see about the Zoho off campus. So this is the career page or the Zoho off campus or the registration portal for the off campus. So right now Zoho is hiring for the role of Windows programmer, and it's a software development programming or developer job profile, and experience required is 0 to 4 years of experience, and year of passing is 2015 to 2021 year of pass out, or the batch candidates can apply. So here if you see, only up to 2021 year of pass out candidates are eligible. That means 2022 year of pass out or the batch candidates are not eligible, unfortunately. So now let's see about the job requirements and the other eligibility criteria. So they are looking for the candidates with good analytical and the problem solving skills to join our Windows division of Zoho graphics team. Basically you will be dealing with the Windows programming or the software or the designing team. So key responsibilities are like, as a technical staff at Zoho graphics, a primary responsibility for this role is to develop Windows based applications in C# or C++, etc. So now let's see about the tools you will be using. So basic tool will be Visual Studio or the VS Code, and platform will be Windows 10. So I think most of the candidates are using Windows 10 in their laptop. So language or the architecture will be C# or C++, Universal Windows Platform, etc., or any other equivalent platforms. So these are the skills required here, like a few years of proven experience or hands-on practice on the development of Windows platforms, languages like C, C++, C#, etc. Analytical problem solving skills, etc. are mandatory. So they have not specified any qualification criteria here. That means all the BTech, MCA, MSc or the MEM.Tech candidates are eligible for this off campus, provided you must be having 0 to 4 years of experience. That means fresh graduates can apply for this off campus, no doubt. So now let's see about the what are the other things required for this off campus. Yeah, one more thing, branch. Any branch candidates can apply for this off campus. And if you ask me about the location, so basically the head office is there in the Chennai, but they will be giving you the location as per their requirements, because they have not specified any specific job location here. That means you will be deployed for the time being. You will be doing work from home only due to this COVID-19 pandemic, and once it is done or over, you need to relocate to the job location. And Zoho is one of the best MNC to start your career, especially it is very good company for the fresh graduates, because enough things or experience you'll be having as a fresh graduate as compared to the other MNCs like TCS, Infosys or Accenture, etc. So now let's see about the registration process. Yeah, one more thing, interview process. If you ask me, once the registration window is closed, then they will be sending you the test link or the test invitation. So generally you will be people get the test links within 5 to 7 days of their registrations, and the test date will be communicated to you through the email address or the registered email address it's only, and you will be getting enough time to prepare for the written test. And yeah, written test basic things they will be asking, like reasoning aptitude, basic English comprehension, and the MCQ questions only. And one more thing is they're hiring for the role of Windows programmer. You need to focus on the Windows platform or the basic things only, like how it works, or Windows or the Microsoft Windows, how it works, etc., latest version, what are the different architecture, etc. So in our next video we'll be discussing about how to crack this off campus, because the separate video will be making. So please subscribe and stay tuned for the next video regarding this Juho off campus. So now let's discuss about the registration process. So here these are the name you need to provide, email address, mobile number. These are the mandatory fields. Department you need to choose: civil, mechanical, electrical, ME, MTech, MCA, BE, BTech. If you see here, many options are there. If the option is not there, you simply click on the other. Then select year of passing 2015 to 2021. Suppose I am choosing 2021. Then experience level you need to put 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Current employer you need to type here. Notice period, if it is immediate or 1 month or 2 months or 3 months, it's up to you. Then address you need to provide. Attachment, you need to attach your updated resume. Then click on the submit. Hardly it will be taking 1 minute. So I'll be putting this link in the description of this video, so that you will be able to apply for this off campus as soon as possible. And one more thing, I am requesting all of you, please share this link with your other job seeker friends, because this is a very tough situation right now for the fresh graduates especially. Please help other people as well by getting a job. So thank you for watching. If you have any doubt regarding this off campus, you can comment in the comment section below. And in our upcoming videos or in our next video, we will be discussing about the syllabus or how to prepare for this written test and for this off campus. So thank you for watching and all the best for your job search.